Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Surfshark VPN for free. Yes, Surfshark is a paid VPN, but it's possible to use it for free for 30 days. I'll explain how to do it, and don't worry, it's 100% legal. So, my method for getting Surfshark for free is very simple. It consists of using the 30-day money-back guarantee. This means you can sign up, use Surfshark for several weeks on an unlimited number of devices at the same time, and then request a refund. In the end, you won't have paid anything. To do this, you will need a payment method, but don't worry, you will be fully refunded if you request it within 30 days of signing up. All you need to do is sign up for Surfshark, download the software and install it. You will be charged, but if you request a refund before the 30 days are up, you'll get all your money back. If you decide not to keep your subscription, you will simply need to contact Surfshark's customer support to request a refund. It's as simple as that. If you're satisfied with the service, you can of course decide to keep your subscription and continue using Surfshark. The principle is simple. Surfshark lets you try the service risk-free so you can see its quality and performance for yourself. In any case, I invite you to use this link vpnfolio.com/surf to get the best current offer on Surfshark, which currently includes 3 additional free months. Let me quickly show you how it works. Here is the interface. You can activate the VPN by pressing this button, or you can choose a specific country from this list. Let's try it. As you can see here, my IP address ends with 0. It locates me in France. I choose a location, Germany for example. I click here. And there you go. I'm now connected as if I were in Germany. I refresh the page. And done. I now have a new IP address that places me in Germany. Surfshark has hidden my real IP address. My new IP address indicates that I'm in Germany even though I'm still in France. I showed you how to connect using the Windows application, but it works exactly the same way on macOS, Android and iOS. Surfshark also works on smart TVs. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. You now know how to get Surfshark for free. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, and I will reply as soon as possible. If you liked this video and found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks and see you next time.